Welcome back. Sesa Goa has opted to say no comments on charges made by founder member of Aam Aadmi Party and senior lawyer of the Supreme Court, Prashant Bhushan. Sesa Goa claims that they are responding to all legal cases or allegations when they are raised in the court of law or other appropriate forums.
Sesa Goa is in no mood to respond to the charges made by founder member of Aam Aadmi Party and senior lawyer from Supreme Court Prashant Bhushan against the mining firm for its alleged illegalities. When Prudent contacted the Sesa Goa through email conversation, this is what Sesa Goa conveyed. Sesa Goa says, "We do not wish to comment on such statements. We cannot keep responding every time a politician of any political outfit speaks in public. Sesa Goa is responding to all legal cases, allegations, where they are raised in the court of law or other appropriate forum. The matter of the alleged illegal mining is in Supreme Court. We are presenting our case in front of the court and we hope for a quick resolution from the court." Advocate Prashant Bhushan on his visit to Goa had charged that the mining giant in the state, Sesa Goa, has committed all types of illegalities in their mining operations. Bhushan had also alleged that companies' illegalities have spread not just in Goa but also in the states like Karnataka. He informed that there are many cases pending against Sesa Goa for their unethical trade. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
The High Court has made it clear that it cannot direct the Goa government to acquire the land at Daboli Airport for private parking as sought by the landowner. The landowner John Philip Pereira had approached the High Court seeking directions to the Goa government to acquire his land at Daboli for parking purpose. However, the court observed that the government may consider the representation in accordance with law and decide within 6 months.
Petitioner John Philip Pereira filed a public interest litigation before the High Court seeking direction to the Goa government to acquire his land near Daboli Airport for private parking. Petitioner has claimed in his petition that he wants his land to be acquired in the public interest. Petitioner said land was sought to be acquired for and on behalf of the Airport Authority of India for the purpose of using it as a private parking space. But the state government denotified and dropped the land from acquisition. Petitioner initially made a representation before the state authority, but the state government did not show any interest. The petitioner landlord then approached the High Court. The High Court in its order has clarified that the court cannot direct the government to acquire said land. But the bench observed that since a representation has been made by the petitioner, it would be appropriate to direct the state government to consider the said representation in accordance with law. While disposing the petition, the High Court has given 6 months' time to the government to take a decision. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Marungaon municipality is yet again in news. Few councillors are alleged of illegal shop allotment. A shop has been allotted in Vasco without proper permission. The shop has no approval from the PDA. This shop is set up in modern market of Vasco. Have a look.
नवं निवडून येयल्ल्या सरकारान आपल्या घोषणा वाक्यान म्हटलेलें आसा की झिरो टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन. पूण वास्कोच्या म्युनिसिपालिटीन पळयल्यार जाल्यार हांगसर करप्शन खूब वाडलेलें आसा. निवडून येयल्ले नगरसेवकूच हांगसर इल्लिगल एक्टिविटीक प्रोत्साहन दिता. मुरगांव नगरपालिकेचो हो मॉडर्न मार्केट प्रकल्प आसा आनी थंयसरूच हें एक इल्लिगल शॉप येयल्लें आसा. जो हो प्रकल्प हा मुरगांव PDAंतल्यान एप्रूव जाल्लो आनी हें जें फाटल्यान शॉप आसा ताका एप्रुवल बीन कांयच नासतना हांगसर बांदले गेल्ले. हांगसर कावन्सिलरांचे हात ओले केल्ले गेले आसा आनी हे शॉप हांगसर येयल्ले आसा. UD मिनिस्टर DMA डायरेक्टर ऑफ म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हेचेर दखल घेतलो काय कितें? CM आमचो म्हणटा की झिरो टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन. हे करप्शन हांगसरले वायप आउट करतलो काय कितें? वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
On the other side, Arcare residents are agitated with a construction which they claim is illegal. The residents said that there was no drainage outlet and septic tank. They also alleged the South Goa Development Planning Authority of granting the construction with completion certificate in spite of illegalities. They informed that some dwellers are already residing without occupancy certificate.
Zaiti illegalities such as like a filling of the land kela tene mujhe compound over more than 1.5 to 2 meters above kela. Septic tank tene ती कायदे प्रमाण ना. वॉटर सांबा आसा ती कायदे प्रमाण ना. आनी सगळें त्या भरून काडला तेणे. टेनंट्स आसा थिंगा तेणे आतां फ्लॅट विकले आनी थिंगा लोक रावता थिंगा कितले म्हयने जाले म्हाका दिसता कम से कम 1.5 वर्स जालें कंप्लीट जायनासतना कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट दिनासतना ऑक्युपन्सी दिनासतना तेणे सगळ्यां लोकां थिंगा दवरल्या थिंगा आनी ते सेप्टीक टँक वॉटर सांब ते विदावट परमिशन ते थिंगा रावता थिंगा.
These are the issues not much related to us. Like as regards to building, if there were certain issues when they sort of about height setback is yes, of course, that is what I told my assistant engineer that give me the entire exact report, etc., which I'll go through. I'll go through the file, and if all that it will be seen that their doubts are cleared. So nothing is here. There is no question of favoring any builder, etc.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.